Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Pinterest collage. Okay, now you cannot do this from your PC on the browser or the app. You need to use the mobile version, either on your Android or iPhone. Either is fine. Just launch the app, and then here at the bottom, here in the middle, you'll see create. Go ahead and tap on this, and here you'll see an option for collage. So go ahead and click on this one. And now what you can do is click on this, and then you will be able to see from your photos and albums. Or you could also click on the plus icon. We're going to be searching for images, or you can also browse through here. So let's say I want to get this for the clouds maybe. So go ahead and add this. It's doing a cutout for me. That's perfect. I can add more things here, right? So just click on add, and then let's look for things like, trees do work. We have planets. That's also a good addition. Let's say you want to do a spaceship, right? Can go ahead and do that as well. So we'll search for a spaceship. Maybe you want to add a UFO spaceship. These ones look good as well. Let's add a rocket. Okay, we'll do this one. Oh, looks nice. So I'll add this. There we go. Be creative. You can add flames as well here, right? Keep going and you can create your collage that way. And once you're happy with it, you can come and press on this arrow at the top right, and it's going to start saving it, okay? So you just wait for this, wait for Pinterest to do this. And you can give your pin a title, you can describe your pin further, and then you can also add some visual details, right? To help people who are using the screen readers. And then once you're done, just click on create, okay? There we go. Set up the title and description, and then just click on create. And it's saved to my profile, right? It's really that easy and simple. Here you go.